Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a super short video for you guys. We're going to just kind of hang out and we're going to make some of these penny games here. I call this the gift that keeps on giving. It's basically a little game that you play with pennies. You get 12 pennies at the start. You knock out your opponent by rolling dice. If you want more information on this, I'm going to link long form video down below if you want to know how to play and if you want to see the full assembly, which I will play in this video just sped up. If you need a slowed down version, check out that video. But with all that said, I've got a lot of scraps. I went ahead and did what I call scrap busting. I took all my larger pieces, cut them all down, and that's what we're doing today. Is we're using up all of these scraps of good material still, and we're going to make 6 of these penny games in the thicker version. This is the thin version I have at home. We're making 6 of these in a thicker version here that I have for a customer on order. I actually already pre-did this before the video, but I've recorded everything for you guys to show you what the back end looks like. My customer already has them. They went with the kit where they assemble it themselves. They just watched that long form video that I told you about. They're going to assemble it. I sell these for $20 a piece. Otherwise, pre-assembled, if I take the time to assemble them, I charge $30 a piece. So if you guys end up wanting to sell these, I do sell this design on Etsy as well. So you can make your own, you just print it off with your laser. And then if you can price it however you want to price it. That's just my pricing of what I want. That's what my time's worth. So you can decide based on your material cost and what your time is worth. You can sell the end product for whatever you want. You just can't resell the digital product. With all that said, let's go ahead and get into cutting, show you the assembly, and that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this real short form video and informative information on this. If you want to see the long form, go ahead and check out that link below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.